Hey, this is David, and we're out here on the other side of our pond, and we got a project here. This is a big double stem red oak, and you can see this left side is sincerely dead. The turkey vultures like to use it for a roost, and the other side is dead also. It doesn't look quite as dead, but it's dead. It's just like died a year after the first one. And got a couple problems here. It's what you call a school marm. You got two stems grown together. They go all the way to the ground. So this is like two separate trees, but they came up right next to each other. And if I work at that V, I'm up over my shoulders, and we don't want to do that because you don't want that saw up around your neck. So what I'm going to do here is separate those. I'm going to run the saw down between them to make sure they're not joined. I'll have to do that from both sides. It's going to take a little bit, and I don't think I'll be filming all of that. Then the other problem is this one that's died first. It leans north and east, and straight north of it is this old hog shed building, and I really don't want to smash that. We don't use it, but it's kind of a part of the heritage of the place, and it does have weight toward it. What I'm going to do, you can see there's a stump right there. I just dropped that there's a walnut tree there. I just dropped that. I'm going to aim just kind of on the left side of that, and I'm hoping that I can overcome the side lean. It's got weight in that general direction, but you know, toward the east too, and I'm trying to pull it a little bit west. So I'm going to park this camera over there by that cherry tree when I'm ready to cut it loose, and we'll see. You get to see the tree coming at you there. So I'm going to turn this one off and get the camera set up over there and fire up my other camera for the festivities here. And what I'll do, of course, is do a face cut to aim it, do a bore cut. I'm going to cut out the other side. The other side's the heavy side. We call it the bad side or the heavy side. You want to cut out half of the, cut out half of the tree under that side, and I'll put a wedge in there to support it so it doesn't crush the hinge on that side, and then I'll come back over here and cut out the other side. And when I cut out this other side, it'll go. And when I'm ready to do this one over here, I'll set up the camera back here where you can see as I cut her loose. So that is the plan, and hope it goes well. Okay, we got her set up here. We'll take a look at this and show you what's going on. Turn my viewfinder over. Okay, I was able to reach through that connection from the other side. Got her cut down to there. Put in a face cut. Cut the bottom, aimed it to where we said. Need the front cut off of that, and I bored it behind there and cut about halfway through all the way back. That bore cut behind there connects all the way back. So now what we need to do now is bore it here and then out the back. And when that pops, I am gonna be moving away real quick. There's dead wood up there and it may fall. So I'm going to set the camera up where you can watch that happen, and I'm going to go start the other camera so you can see it fall at you. Okay, ready to crank up. I'm going to do a bore cut, go about halfway, take it out the back, and I'm going to be exiting to the right. Got it zoomed in a little bit so you can see what we're doing there. don't run in under that. We even got a spring pole in the mix there. Oh boy. Yeah, see, those didn't quite meet up, so I had wood that was bypassed but still connected on the vertical. Anyway, so I could see it beginning to part in there, so I backed off. Let's move up here. I'm gonna zoom this, get my visor up so I can see a little better. Yeah, you see what I did there? I ran this one on the angle that bottom cut was, so there was wood that had to pull apart there, but that was okay. I could see it starting to part and I was able to move back. Okay, and got a nice little spring pole there. That'll be a good little exercise. And it missed the hog shed. This thing has been weighing on my mind for a couple of years. And we missed the hog shed. Well, that's just fantastic. Part of that would be that the top is light because it's dried out. And you see I got the other camera sitting right over there. Oh, that was a great drop. That worked fine. And now this other one, we'll drop it just about opposite that. Put it up on the dam, because it is dead also. Oh boy, well, you know, that upper wood on that will make some mighty fine firewood right away. So I'm gonna bring the Kubota around there, cut me some stove wood. Thank you very much for watching. Always appreciate every view and every comment. Catch you all later.